So let's talk about who's a good fit for the 4-week kitchen.
The 4-week kitchen is somebody that typically doesn't want to uproot their whole first floor. Wants some selections, but not 200 selections. Cost effective from $60,000 and under. Wants a designer, wants a project manager, wants to feel secure, the ability to call my old clients, visit some of my jobs, go on the web, and ask me the tough questions. Where have I fallen short before? So I'm not perfect, but I thrive on solving the opportunity quickly and setting realistic expectations. So geographically, we're out of Dunwoody, but we service Sandy Springs, Brookhaven, West Cobb, and referrals. If you give me a referral and it's not in my geographical area, I'm going to take care of it because I want you to always, me to be in the back of your head. Age, it doesn't matter. With the financing, we see some of the younger people like to finance, and it doesn't matter. So we're here to serve and execute what we're good at.
Yeah, and I think that's a good, I know that one of the audiences you wanted to reach are millennials, and great for millennials.
Yes,
I
love
think
them.
it allows them to be able to enjoy their home, and of course they don't want to spend a huge amount of money. And who, as a millennial, has like 100,000 saved,
and they're tech savvy, so they love the DocuSign.
Yeah.
They love the online application, the app for the financing. They love the emails. They love the reviews. So that tech savvy part is, point, click, and it's done. Anything above and beyond the scope, we can send a change order. That's all DocuSigned. We're not going to implement anything on the job unless it's signed by both parties.
Right.
Typical thing, somebody's traveling and another person's signing change orders and not, so we make sure people communicate.
Right.
The people that we're serving are both communicating. So there's no surprises.
Right.
That are not fun surprises.
Yeah, well, it's a surprise when you go downstairs and you love everything about your kitchen.
Yes.
And I have to say, it's surprising that everything goes so well because in anything, things can go wrong. But I will have to say there were no issues. This is great for a person who just doesn't have either the time or the amount of cash that it would take to do a huge remodel.
Sure.
It is fantastic for someone who wants to just update the finishes to make their kitchen look fresh.
Yes.
Not taking out walls or changing the footprint, but just wanting a whole new updated look, one that you can be proud of. And I have to say, for me, it just worked absolutely great.
Hoo-wah!